one clean rag to clean around the filter. All right, let's do this. Okay. Now basically it's loose. I'm gonna untie the cap on top. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the cap is right on top. Sorry about that, moving the camera. Moving this. I'm gonna put a paper towel. I like to put a paper towel around this area, make sure it's clean. Put it right here, right on top. Now I'm gonna go back to the bottom of the vehicle. All right. Now we gotta remove the drain plug. I'm gonna need a 14 milliliter. Okay. So I'm pulling this way towards the passenger side. Okay. You're probably wondering why I'm losing the filter. I like to loosen the filter, that way when I drain all my oil, it's faster for me to change the filter. So I could put the new filter in. So I have that filter loose. All I have to do is put back the drain plug, put back the oil filter, original. Try not to buy aftermarket parts for these Toyotas. These Toyotas are built differently now. They're a little bit more delicate. So try to go with original parts only. So I wish I could show you a little bit of the oil. So